So I'm sure solutions like this is the need of the hour. Right, I think very interesting cutting edge stuff that you guys are doing. While the proof is when the rubber hits the road, right? So that's something that we want to see for sure. But I think it looks like an interesting partnership blooming. The suggested order module, right? I think, or as you all call it, the hyper-personalized recommendations or the co-pilot, right? I think that's really interesting. I think it's a need of the hour also. Earlier sales used to be simple. You have to sell 5 products, 6 products. Today sales is like, you have to, the poor salesman is expected to be a Superman on ground, right? And the expectation is, ठीक है ना, एक store में 2 ही काम करने हैं. But the poor, nobody understands, when you aggregate it across 200 stores, maybe it's 400 tasks for that guy, right? So I'm sure solutions like this is the need of the hour, right? And I hope this works out for us.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.